Just look at the difference psychophysically in temperature we have to give them, area of the tummy, in order for them to rate on a 10-point scale. I think it was 5 out of 10 or 6 out of 10. So you're locking perception and you're saying, what temperature do I need to give you in an area that's sort of vulnerable, that you would report that as 5. And that is a huge, trust me, psychophysical difference between controls and the girls with the dysmenorrhea. So something's odd, isn't it? I'm giving them less nociceptive input, yet something is amplifying it so that their pain perception is still 5 out of 10. I've got to give the controls, 4 more degrees, and that's a lot, in order to do it. So where in the system is that matching, that amplification coming up, yeah? Because something's driving it up. It can't be explained by the nociceptive input. And what we not only showed was that, again, this temperature psychophysical finding correlated with the severity of pain with menstruation. So the magnitude of the pain, again, seemed to causally, I use that word carefully, contribute to the psychophysical variance. But what was really quite nice, and again, for reasons I'll tell you in a minute, was we found that the explanatory factor in the brain that was your amplification circuit that brought up that lower nociceptive input so that you ended up with the same 5 out of 10 was this region around the hippocampal formation, the entorhinal complex, which, again, many, many years ago, we'd shown was where, and again, studies we've done for a long time, anxiety turns up the volume and amplifies the pain, because it actually communicates to the posterior insula, which is like your volume intensity button. So again, many studies that we and others have done have confirmed that this is a very important anxiety amplification system, not just restricted to anxiety, again, negative expectation, other conditions, but basically it's a really important central amplifier, and that was exactly where these girls that's what they were tapping into, and that's what was bringing up that lower nociceptive input. And moreover, the change